If you truly want to build wealth, there are certain habits you must eliminate from your life. Most people believe that building wealth is about earning more money, getting lucky with investments, or discovering some hidden secret that only rich people know. But the truth is much simpler and much harder. Wealth is less about income and more about behavior. The first thing you need to stop doing is spending before you think. Most people treat money emotionally. As soon as they receive their paycheck, they start planning how to spend it. Bills are paid, of course, but after that comes eating out, online shopping, subscriptions, new gadgets, and lifestyle upgrades. By the end of the month, there is little to nothing left to invest. This habit alone keeps millions of people stuck in the same financial position for years. Wealth is not built by what you earn. It is built by what you keep and multiply. If saving and investing only happen when there is extra money left, you will almost never build real financial momentum. Instead of spending first and saving what remains, wealthy individuals reverse the formula. They pay themselves first. A portion of income is automatically saved or invested before lifestyle expenses are even considered. This simple shift in priority can completely change your financial future. The second habit you must stop is upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it quietly destroys long-term wealth. When you earn more, it feels natural to reward yourself with a better car, a bigger apartment, or more expensive habits. While there is nothing wrong with enjoying your money, constantly increasing your expenses keeps you financially dependent on your next paycheck. Wealthy people think differently, and when their income increases, they focus on acquiring assets first, investments, businesses, or income-generating opportunities. They allow their assets to grow and produce cash flow before significantly upgrading their lifestyle. If your expenses grow at the same speed as your income, you may feel successful, but your net worth will not reflect it. Another critical mistake to avoid is chasing quick money. Social media makes wealth look instant. You see overnight crypto wins, fast trading profits, and business success stories that seem effortless. What you don't see are the thousands of failures behind the scenes. The reality is that sustainable wealth is usually slow, disciplined, and sometimes even boring. Long-term investing, consistent saving, skill development, and patience do not sound exciting, but they work. Trying to get rich quickly often leads to risky decisions, emotional investing, and unnecessary losses. Instead of chasing shortcuts, you focus on steady progress. Wealth is built through consistency, not sudden breakthroughs. You should also stop depending on a single source of income. In today's economy, relying on one paycheck is risky. One unexpected event, a job loss, company downsizing, or economic downturn, can create serious financial stress. Building wealth means building stability, developing additional income streams, whether through investing, freelancing, digital skills, or small side projects, which adds security and accelerates financial growth. Finally, stop delaying your financial journey. Many people say they will start investing next year or when they earn more money. But time is one of the most powerful tools in wealth creation. Money compounds. Investments grow exponentially. Skills increase your earning potential over time. The earlier you start, the greater the long-term impact. Waiting often feels harmless, but it is expensive. When every year you delay investing is a year of compound growth lost forever. You don't need a perfect moment to begin. You need a decision. If you want to build wealth, stop spending without intention. Stop upgrading your lifestyle too quickly. Stop chasing fast money. Stop relying on one income source. And most importantly, stop waiting. Wealth is not built overnight. It is built through disciplined choices repeated consistently over time. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is not intelligence or luck. It is behavior. Change your habits and you change your future.